Yep.
Okay, so I want to introduce everybody to the chicken farm project. What you can see over here behind me is the structure that was built for the chickens. The door that Veronica's going in now is where the chicks are first raised, and when they get to a certain size, we move them next door to the right, where they're fed and ultimately sold from there. We hope to do some more building and expansion for both the chickens for meat and then also for egg-laying chickens with this space over here. Come on, let me show you the chickens. This turned out to be a very good project. There was a bit of a learning curve because they were overfed at first and given too much heat. Now it's possible. Come see. This is Veronica tending to the chickens. She takes good care of them. And when they get to be bigger, we move them next door. There are only a few left because the last bunch was pretty much sold. There are a few left in the corner, and those will be sold soon. And the ones that we just saw will be big enough to move into here. It's about a 5-week process, and we're hoping to expand so for another couple hundred chickens so that we stagger it so that there's always money coming in, always chickens that can be fed. The chicken farm project.
That's nice. That's nice.